The stock market made its move higher, but will it sustain itself? It's Wincrease, and I'm about to teach you how to use technical analysis. First and foremost, you know how we get down. Let's check out the S&P. S&P closed at 3,911.74 cents. And let's look at that overall trend. And as you can see, the overall trend is still up. Now, we've been in discussion for quite some time about the current move lower, but it's important to take into perspective the overall trend. So let's take a snapshot of what we have here on this weekly chart. We are in the upswing of things. We've recently moved lower, but check this out. All right, let's go down to my indicators. Indicators here that I use using a MACD are showing that the last time we hit around this level, we see what happened. And this was during COVID. COVID happened, we sold off rapidly, and then all of a sudden the market started to push back to the upside. Okay, there we are at that level. Where are we at right now? That looks familiar, doesn't it? I am looking to see if the market is going to finally make a push higher. Why? Because with technical analysis, we look to see how it moved in the past to predict the future. And we are back at that same level where the market started to move higher last time it was there. So from logic, I am looking to see if the market is going to finally sustain itself. Right now, we have what is a piercing pattern on the S&P. I like what I see here, and I think that the market is going to make an attempt to finally fight back and make its way higher. That is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell, and we use ticker IWM. If you made it this far, make sure that you hit that like button. Leave me a comment, we can have a discussion, and also make sure that you visit the website. Check me out. Every single week I give free option plays. So the Russell closed at 175.09. And important again, let's look at the overall trend. Very similar to what the S&P is to the upside. We recently hit our target that I discussed around 160. We should hit around 162 or so. We've made that, and we've made a piercing pattern as well on the Russell. So the Russell looks like it also wants to make a move higher in unison with the S&P. So that is the Russell. Let's check out the Dow. We use ticker $DJI. So the Dow closed at 31,568. And again, take into perspective the overall trend of things moving higher. We've seen 10 years ago where the price was at on the Dow and where we are right now. This is a bona fide uptrend, and you can see that this trend has not been violated. We touched it, we made a move lower push, and then we went higher, and now we are back around that 200-day moving average. This is still healthy. No matter what you say right now about the market moving lower, right now it is fighting, and we're going to see if it's going to have more dogfight in it. So that is the Dow. And lastly, let's check out the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. If you like what you heard, make sure that you do that for all future content. The Nasdaq closed at 12,105.85 cents. And one more time here for consistency, we got uptrend, 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 uptrend. All four indexes are showing you an uptrend. We are showing ourselves testing out where we are at right now. MACD, RSI, and stochastic. All my indicators right now are showing that we are oversold and we have a chance to fight back. So let's wrap this one up here. All four indexes. All right, we zoomed out this time. Normally we go in to see what the intermediate trend is. We are looking for the overall trend now, and we see clearly that it is an uptrend, and right now we are fighting. This isn't to say that the downtrend is over, but this is to say overall right now we see an uptrend and we see a fight to continue that uptrend. I want to see that fight continue, and I think we have a good chance. So I'm looking to see this week for the market to push back to where it fell from recently. I want to see if the market is going to make those moves back to those levels and get back above them. So that's it for this week. Make sure that you check me out every single week here. Make sure you check me out, Liquidity Investor Club, with my fellas. We do that every single month. And hit up Stocks and Bars. New episode is coming this week. And you see I got all fancy. Congratulations to my brother-in-law. He just got married. And this is how we got down at the wedding. So make sure that you enjoy yourself. My weekend was awesome. This one was late, but I wanted to make sure that I stay on top of it. All right. So we'll catch you next week. Peace.